assistant, always by your side.
And this is my jiggle. No.
AI assistant, always by your side. Break down your contracts and finish on time.
So tell us about yourself.
Well, I'm allergic to...
Oh, nope, talking to Mrs. Sock.
I want to hear from the sock.
Oh,
See, I told you they liked me more.
that is so rude. Why are you always like this?
Like what? Cooler, smarter, better at singing, and hot as hell.
I don't want to pry, but am I sensing some tension here?
No, Sherlock!
Hey, I will put my foot in your literally. I do not like that sock.
Sorry, she only had 3 hours of sleep.
You know, I have an idea. What if instead of arguing, you both express yourself through...
I statements?
No, through song.
Okay. You hurt my feelings, Miss Sock.
I only meant to have your back.
Please be more gentle with me next time. Adobe Acrobat Sublime.
Oh, wow.
That was amazing.
Incredible.
Oh, wow.
So good.
Great job. Now get back on my foot.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna...
Turn on.
I don't want to see that.
I hate feet.